how to use coupons on ACBuy. So you're gonna go ahead and put in mind that the shipping discount coupon can only be used on international shipping fees. But what you do, just go ahead and log into the ACBuy website, of course, and just go navigate yourself to your wallet. So it will be found over here in your little profile over here. Press in that profile actually. Then right behind or below the account, press on wallet. Then there's going to be the coupons options. What you're gonna have to do is just paste in the redeem coupons with coupon code section over here, then press on confirm. There's going to be available coupons that you can choose as well over here. So this will show what the limits will be, the shipping usage, and the available countries, and of course the date this will be available for. You'll be able to see the minimum fee, how much you need to spend for the coupon, and how much you'll get off. You'll be able to see the used coupons over here and then the expired coupons. But the general idea of using the coupons is just putting it here, then just going ahead and confirm, and it should automatically go to the next available or eligible purchase you're going for. But that's pretty much how you use coupons on ACBuy. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.